Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. I play the 5-string banjo. I wanted to show you a computer program I wrote that it generates random banjo rolls to practice. I wrote this program in Python, and the reason behind writing it is one of my aspirations is to learn new right-hand banjo rolls to increase my vocabulary as a banjo player. With bluegrass style banjo, rolls can alternate between the thumb, index, and middle fingers on strings 1 to 5. In general, you don't want any of your fingers to repeat in sequence so that you can play the rolls more efficiently when you play them fast. So, how this program works, it looks for a random banjo roll sequence. So the banjo roll can be it can be a 2-finger sequence, it could be a 3-finger, or it can be a 4-finger sequence. So it selects a random sequence, and then when it loads the next sequence, it checks just to make sure that there's never a repeating finger as it moves between those sequences. So here we have it's looking for the first roll. If it ever finds a repeating sequence, what it does is it loads a new one till the sequence doesn't repeat. And then once it meets that condition, moves on to the second part of the roll. So there it will load another random sequence, check to make sure that it doesn't repeat. And so once you have sequence 1 and sequence 2, the program will print out the roll. It'll give you the name, the number of finger sequences, and then what are the finger positions, and then what are the strings. And program will loop back and repeat. So you can repeat this program and print out as many rolls as you need based on the loop variable. So I have my loop variable to only print out 3 rolls. So let's move over to the output screen. Like I said, I wrote this program in Python. I have Python 3.7. I installed Anaconda, and I'm using Spider as my interactive development environment. So I'm gonna run the program, and it's gonna output the banjo rolls that I can practice. So for the first banjo roll, so like I said, it's 2 parts. So both of these parts are 4-finger sequences. So we have index going to 3, middle going to 1, then index going to 2, and then thumb going to 3. And then this transitions to another 4-finger roll where index goes to 2, middle goes to 1, index goes to 2, and thumb goes to 3. And then for the next roll, we have a 2-finger sequence going to a 3-finger, so middle thumb to index thumb middle. And then for roll number 3, we have a 3-finger sequence, thumb reverse, going to another 3-finger sequence, which is middle forward. So as I can run the program again, and it's gonna just keep giving me different combinations to work on. Now if I go back over here and let's say I want to change my loop variable to 50, so what this will do is it will print out 50 rolls for me to work on. As you can see, every time the program runs, it's loading in a new sequence, and the string patterns are always changing. So that's basically the program. If anyone is interested in using this, I have my program files on GitHub. I will include the link in the video. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any comments or suggestions.